Yes. So as smart cities progressed, then it got more granular and looked at smart buildings. So in buildings, there's a lot of data that has not been collected or not been used to improve building efficiency when it comes to energy consumption. And now, because of the pandemic, we're looking at we're looking for more information on what's happening in these buildings. How many people are in the building? How clean is the air in the building? How clean are surfaces? Is anybody coming into the building that is sick, even if it's not with a coronavirus? Do they have a flu? Do they have a temperature, a severe cough? So this is where these questions started being asked, and then we have the technology to develop solutions that could start collecting this type of data and portraying it on a platform or on a dashboard so that the insight from the data can now be seen and now action can be taken to where maybe you're not letting in someone with a temperature of 102, or you're breaking up a gathering of 100 people in a certain area in a hallway or something. So it gives us the insights that we previously were not collecting in buildings. And so there's a lot of options. But as smart technology was being used in buildings over the past few years, security was never a topic. So manufacturers come to market with technology, and it's very competitive. So the first one in market is trying to gain the market share to get more revenue, to increase research and development of new products. So security was always put on the back burner. And now we're realizing that they're very open, a lot of these so-called smart buildings. So now there's a lot of emphasis and questions around cybersecurity, because when you digitize any information so that you can collect it more easily, and it traverses over IP networks, that's where it becomes vulnerable and your cyber risk goes up. So we look at the cyber security aspect of any technology or any digital device that's in the network. And then when it comes to smart, healthy buildings, there's a lot of solutions out there that most people don't know about. And a lot of them say that they've been tested, but you don't know by what laboratory, or you don't know what the laboratory setting or the environment was that it was tested. So yes, it might work in a 2x4 foot box, but will it work in a hotel room? Will it work in an airplane? So this is where I work with infectious disease doctors that do this type of testing to validate the efficacy of certain products on the market that are saying that they do something to combat or eradicate coronaviruses and other germs and bacteria.